So remember, domain for this function refers to the x values. So if you look at, it's just, you're looking left to right, like where does the function go on the left? Where does the function go on the right? The function starts at 0 here, and it's a closed circle. So that's why it would be a bracket around 0 on the left. And then it goes to the right forever. Doesn't matter if it's going down or up, it's definitely going to the right forever. So that's why it's infinity. And it's infinity. And you always put parentheses around infinity. You're not going to, here, let's zoom in on the graph a little bit. All right, you're not going to put a bracket around the infinity ever. All right, so that's why the domain is bracket 0 on the left, and then infinity with the parentheses on the right. The range of the function. So it goes, when you write that in interval notation, its bottom is on the left, and then the top is on the right. For the bottom here, yes, it's going out to the right, but it's also going to go down forever. So the left side of the interval for range is going to be negative infinity. So we're going to put parentheses. And then negative infinity. And then on the top, so the right part of the interval is, it does stop there, right? So the highest it goes is -2. And that would be a bracket because it's a closed circle. All right. Okay, what else is it asking about this? Determine the x-intercept, if any. Select the correct answer choice below. All right, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Well, it starts below the x-axis, and then it goes down forever. So it will never cross the x-axis. So for this one, I'm saying there is no x-intercept. Determine the y-intercept, if any. Well, it is on the y-axis there, even though that's the starting point, end point, whatever you want to say. That counts as a y-intercept because it's on the y-axis. It's at -2. And then it goes forever in the other direction, so it's not going to curve back. So the only one is -2. Directions say to type it as an integer, so I'm not typing this as an ordered pair. I'm just saying that the y-intercept is -2. And then it says find f of 9. Okay, so f of 9 is, what's the y value when the x is 9? When x is 9, it looks like it's right about there. All right, so that's a y value of -5. I don't know what the function is to be able to do it algebraically, so I'm just going off what I'm looking at the graph. So with the information that I have, it's -5. Check that. Okay. Let me know if you have other questions. That should be it, right? Yeah. Question complete. All right. Yeah. So let me know if you have other questions.